Cool Rats! And today we have a mystery box from Amazon.
Another mystery box because from a box is from dinosaurs. Let me go show you guys my box. Right there.
Okay, now let's go into the opening process. In a snap. A robot! Look at this, y'all. We have a robot. Her name is Caddy Winnie. Caddy Winnie.
And we have all these balloons here.
We get to have a pink one or a blue one. Well, that's a mystery.
That's a mystery.
So let's get on to
Dress Up Mystery. Oh, we have the blue one.
Here's the reveal. We have a boy. Look at that.
He is so like.
Is there anything else? Okay.
We have to need more batteries.
Okay. Here's the manual. Actually, we don't have to charge him. We have our robot on right here with this little button.
Hello, buddy. I'm your new partner, Airlock. I have a lot of skills. I can sing and dance. Yo ho, my friends, come on. Let's rock and roll. Music.
Whoa!
Hey, look.
You got a boy.
That is so wow. Are you controlling it?
I think.
Let go? Oh no, you're not. It's doing it on its own.
It's so cool. Oh, just relax. Listen to the music.
At nighttime, when y'all sleep, it's gonna be like.
You waking Mariah? Or are you scared of it?
I'm scared.
You're not scared?
She's scared.
No.
Yeah, you are.
Dropping them.
That's cool. Let me see. So, oh, you need batteries to control it. You gotta bring batteries.
It was so nice to have met you.
So I wonder what the cord is for. Can you give me the instruction sheet?
Scared, look.
Here you go.
You scared, Sue?
Whoa.
Whoa.
Sue, you scared?
No.
Robot instruction manual.
I'm holding.
USB charge piece. Remote control. The control, you need 2 AA batteries. Oh, so the remote shows you to slide backwards, turn right. Oh, so you can move it around. Oh, let me get batteries so we can test the remote out.
Yeah. Batteries.
All right, guys. What should we name this guy?
Feeling.
Chuck?
Chuck the robot.
No, that's just creepy, Daddy. You're just thinking of Chucky. We should name him
Chuck.
No.
Rolo.
Yeah, Rolo. I like Rolo.
Rolo.
Robo-Man.
No, Rolo. Because he be Roloing.
Robo-Man.
No, Rolo.
I like Robo.
I like Robo.
Robo, really? He's a robot.
Robo the robot.
Rolo the robot. Because he be rolling.
Fine, Rolo.
Rolo is lit. It's lit. Oh, he fell down.
Why y'all let him fall?
Because you.
I think you got to do a review on that.
Oh yeah, for sure. This is awesome. I can't wait till you guys can control it.
How about this? Controlling it first.
No, me.
Who should control it first, you two? Melina or Mariah?
Just relax. Listen to the music.
Let's do rock, paper, scissors. Ready, Mariah?
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Oh, 2 out of 3. Come on. 2 out of 3.
This guy. Okay. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Oh, one more, Mariah. Come on.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Oh, so Mariah gets to control it first. Fair is fair.
Well, while we wait, let's have a dance party. Hey, look, everybody, I'm Squidward.
I'm Squid. I'm SpongeBob SquarePants. SpongeBob SpongeBob.
Oh, you gotta put them on.
Yeah.
Okay.
Slide backward. Slide forward. Turn left. Turn right. Slide forward. Turn left. Turn left.
Hey, everyone, we have a question. Should we scare our mom and dad with this robot one day? They shouldn't know.
He loves you.
Slide backward.
Can I try, Mariah?
Backward.
When you turn it off, you're going to do rock, paper, shoot again.
Okay.
Slide forward. Slide backward. Turn right. Turn left.
Let's see how
That's
you
so
read a
cool.
book. Robot Man.
Forward.
Robot Man is a monster. He's coming to you. Go.
Forward. Slide forward. Slide backward.
Hopefully you enjoyed watching us unbox this mystery box. Be sure to like, subscribe, and give us a huge thumbs up. Thanks for watching Cooling with the Cobras.